going to the store because we're all gonna munch out before we hit a 10-mile walk. One way.
They got great food. Make sure if you ever go here, go through the store and go out the other door. You're not leaving. There's a burger joint back here. Took a trip on a bus. It was called the Green Line, and they took us around and we got to see the different camp areas and park areas and stuff like that. Now we're getting ready to go get in the car, and then we're going to take the car and go around. We're going to go to Bridal Falls and hit some of the other places we didn't get to see on the bus. And we're going to get a lot of views and be able to stop and park and have a great old time. Sure. Okay, we're going to Yosemite Hotel. It's a pretty nice old hotel here that looks pretty tall. You can look through the trees there and looks, you know, if you're like me, you like the wood look and like cedar look and stuff like that. So it should look like pretty much a log cabin if I'm right. I'm taking my guess from here. So I guess I was a little wrong. It was done before FDR, Franklin D. Roosevelt's time, which was, he would have been in the 40s, which the guy got us out of depression. So, but this hotel was finished in 1927. So that's pretty old. Electricity at that time in some of these places, so that's how they had to heat their places. So we're looking at the Yosemite Hotel, and from what I see here, you look way up there, they've got antennas and everything. I would say that's where the hired help always is staying, because when you go to places and stay at houses, the help always stays up above. This is the history, and the hotel was finished on July 14th, 1927. That's a pretty long time ago, and they used it for skiing, is what we found out so far. It was like a ski lodge at one time. We're now looking at another view of the Yosemite Park. You see that mountain over there? One of these days I'm going to climb that mountain. Part at Yosemite Park, and we're going to Bridal Falls. No, it's not Bridal Falls in Oregon, up the gorge, but it's Bridal Falls. Walk this way, yeah, Aerospin. At Yosemite Park here, we just made it from point 4 to point 3 at Bridal, and boy, the place here just looks so beautiful. It's wide open, nice trails, beautiful scenery. We're gonna have a great time. We have now made it to Bridal Falls at Yosemite Park. Try coming down that, Indiana Jones. So this is the end of our trip. So if you like what we have done, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any comments, please put them below and tell us what we could do better or where we could go to shoot our next videos. But by the way, I have to get back to riding my Harley Davidson.